Good morning, I'm Chris, a local builder from Wigan, and today I'm working on a farm renovation in Saint Helens. It's a back to brick job, and as part of that job today we're going to be hacking off the plasterboard and replacing it with an insulated product. As part L of the building regulation states, if you are removing an element you must improve its thermal performance. It's quite a dusty job, but today I've got the help of V-TUF's Mighty and the Aeromax air purifier. Okay, so that's the plaster off. The next thing is to get into the skip. Today we're going to use the vacuum as a replacement for a brush to keep the fine particles down. So this is the next stage of the process. We're going to get the plaster into the skip via that bucket. There's a whale tail on there, and that'll help reduce fine air particles being reintroduced back into the air. Okay, so far so good. The dust has been kept suppressed, and we're on to the next stage of the process, which is dry lining these walls with insulated plasterboard. The walls have been wetted down, the plasterboard's been dry fitted, the whale tail's on, ready for a mix. So that's the mix done. The Mighty Vac from V-TUF has been an incredible piece of kit today. Kept all the dust suppressed, and more importantly, kept that dust out my lungs. I'm going to crack on, get this place plasterboarded. Thank you for watching.